Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of medicinal plants, focusing on those with scientifically proven natural antibiotic properties. You'll be amazed at how these plants have been used throughout history and how modern science continues to validate their effectiveness. Join us on this journey to uncover nature's hidden treasures for health and wellness. Natural antibiotics are gaining popularity as people seek alternatives to synthetic drugs. These natural remedies offer a gentler approach to health, without the harsh side effects of conventional antibiotics. Stay tuned to discover 12 powerful plants that can boost your health and support your body's natural defenses against infections. From ancient remedies to modern science, these plants have stood the test of time. We'll delve into their traditional uses and examine how contemporary research is unveiling their full potential. Get ready to explore how these natural wonders work and discover the amazing benefits they offer for your health and well-being. So, what exactly are natural antibiotics? These are powerful compounds found in various plants that have the ability to kill or inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. They work in harmony with the body, providing a natural defense against infections and promoting overall health. Recent scientific studies have validated the efficacy of these plants, confirming what traditional healers have known for centuries. This modern research provides a solid foundation for incorporating natural antibiotics into our healthcare routines, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary science. First on our list is garlic. Known for its potent antibiotic properties, garlic has been used for centuries to treat a variety of infections. This humble bulb not only enhances the flavor of our food, but also serves as a powerful tool in fighting off harmful bacteria. Scientific studies show that garlic can effectively fight off various bacteria, making it a powerful natural antibiotic. Its active component, allicin, is responsible for its strong antibacterial effects, which have been demonstrated in numerous research studies around the world. Next up, ginger. The spicy root is not only great for cooking, but also packs a punch against harmful bacteria. Ginger's bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, have been shown to have strong antimicrobial properties, making it a valuable addition to any natural health regimen. Research has demonstrated ginger's ability to combat bacteria and even boost the immune system. This makes it a versatile addition to natural health remedies, offering both preventive and therapeutic benefits. Ginger's effectiveness extends to various strains of bacteria, showcasing its broad-spectrum antibacterial properties. Turmeric, the golden spice, is another powerhouse with strong antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties. Its vibrant color and distinct flavor make it a staple in many kitchens, but its health benefits are even more remarkable. Turmeric has been used traditionally and scientifically validated for its ability to support overall wellness. Studies reveal that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can inhibit the growth of various bacteria. This compound not only fights infections, but also helps reduce inflammation in the body, providing a dual action that enhances health. Research continues to uncover the vast potential of curcumin in modern medicine. Echinacea is well known for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to fight infections. This beautiful flowering plant has been a go-to remedy for colds and other infections for centuries. Its active compounds work to stimulate the immune system, making it a valuable ally in natural health. Scientific research supports echinacea's role in reducing the duration and severity of infections. Numerous studies have shown that it can help the body recover more quickly by enhancing immune function and fighting off pathogens more effectively. Golden seal is another potent plant, often used in herbal medicine for its antibiotic and anti-inflammatory effects. This herb has a long history of use in treating various ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions, thanks to its powerful active compounds. Studies indicate that golden seal can effectively combat bacteria and boost overall health. Its active ingredient, berberine, has been extensively researched for its antimicrobial properties, making golden seal a valuable addition to natural medicine. Oregano isn't just for pizza. Its oil is a powerful natural antibiotic and antifungal agent. Rich in compounds like carvacrol and thymol, oregano oil has been used to treat a variety of infections, demonstrating its versatility and potency as a natural remedy. Scientific evidence shows that oregano oil can fight off a range of bacteria, including antibiotic-resistant strains. This makes it an essential tool in the fight against resistant infections, offering a natural alternative when conventional antibiotics fall short. Thyme is another culinary herb with significant antibacterial properties, thanks to its active compound, thymol. This versatile herb is not only a favorite in the kitchen, but also a potent natural remedy that can help fight off infections and promote overall wellness. Research supports thyme's effectiveness against bacteria and its role in boosting respiratory health. Its antibacterial properties make it a valuable herb for treating respiratory conditions, and its use in traditional medicine spans centuries. Basil isn't just delicious, it also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This aromatic herb can enhance the flavor of your dishes while providing health benefits, making it a perfect addition to both your diet and natural medicine cabinet. Studies reveal that basil can help fight bacteria and improve overall health. Its essential oils are particularly effective in combating bacterial infections, and its anti-inflammatory properties support a healthy immune system. Cinnamon, a popular spice, is also a powerful natural antibiotic with a long history of medicinal use. This warming spice not only adds flavor to your food, but also helps to protect against bacterial infections and support digestive health. Scientific research highlights cinnamon's ability to combat bacteria and improve digestive health. Its active compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde, have been shown to possess strong antibacterial properties, making cinnamon a valuable natural remedy. Neem is a traditional medicinal plant known for its wide range of antibacterial and antiviral properties. This powerful plant has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to treat various infections and support overall health. Studies confirm neem's effectiveness in fighting bacteria and supporting skin health. Its antibacterial properties make it a popular ingredient in skincare products, helping to treat and prevent skin infections naturally. Clove, with its strong antiseptic and antibacterial properties, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. This spice not only enhances the flavor of food, but also provides powerful health benefits, particularly in treating infections and relieving pain. Research demonstrates clove's ability to fight off bacteria and improve oral health. This spice is not only effective in treating infections, but also helps to maintain healthy gums and freshen breath, making it a popular choice in natural oral care products. Last but not least, aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and antibacterial properties, making it a staple in natural medicine. Its gel is widely used to treat skin conditions, promote healing, and provide a natural barrier against infections. Scientific studies confirm aloe vera's effectiveness in treating wounds and infections. Its antibacterial properties, combined with its ability to accelerate healing, make it an essential component in both first aid and skincare. Now that we've covered the plants, let's talk about how to use them safely. Proper usage is key to unlocking the full potential of these natural remedies without risking adverse effects. It's important to follow recommended dosages and preparation methods to maximize benefits and avoid side effects. Whether you're making teas, tinctures, or topicals, correct preparation ensures safety and efficacy. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Professional guidance helps you make informed decisions about incorporating these plants into your health routine. While these plants are generally safe, some may cause allergic reactions or interact with medications. Understanding potential risks and taking precautions can help you use these natural remedies confidently and effectively. Let's recap the key points. Natural antibiotics offer a powerful alternative to synthetic drugs, with fewer side effects and multiple health benefits. Embracing these plants can enhance your well-being in a safe and natural way. By incorporating these plants into your routine, You can boost your health naturally and effectively. Each plant offers unique benefits, contributing to a holistic approach to health and wellness. Have you tried any of these medicinal plants? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how these natural remedies have worked for you and any tips you might have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on natural health remedies. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you and the community. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep exploring the wonderful world of natural remedies.